Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about mass airflow, is also called MAF sensor. If you have ever wondered how your engine knows the right amount of fuel to mix with the air, so you are watching the right video. So in today's video, I will learn how the MAF sensor works, what is the MAF sensor, and why it has a vital role in the engine. So first we check what is the MAF sensor. So what exactly is MAF sensor? This little device measures the amount of air entering your engine. So now we talk about why is it important. So why it is important? The engine control unit or ECU uses the data that MAF sensor is collected to adjust the fuel injection, ensuring optimal combustions. So now we will talk about how does it work, how this sensor work. The MAF sensor typically uses a heated wire or a film that cools down as air flow over it. The ECU monitors this cooling effect to determine the airflow rate. More air means more fuel is needed for that airflow mixtures. So this is the way how this sensor work. So now we will talk about some common issues to the MAF sensor. If your MAF sensor is failing, you might notice some symptoms like poor fuel economy, rough idling, and check engine light will appear on the dashboard. If any of symptoms you are experiencing, so you must check your MAF sensor. If your MAF sensor is become faulty, so we can test our MAF sensor by using multimeter and or by using the scan tool. If it is a faulty, the best option is to replacement. But before replacing this sensor, you must clean it, because sometimes due to dust or dirty particles, our sensor is not working. So before replacing, so you must clean it well and put it back and check it is working or not. So MAF sensor have a vital role in our vehicle's performance and efficiency. If you found this video is helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe to channel and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next video.